Happy birthday, Anthony! Si Cecil to, si Cecil ng Tondo. I hope natatandaan mo pa ako. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa celebration at sa surprises na binigay sa'yo ng mga mahal mo sa buhay ngayon. Pasensya ka na rin kung medyo delayed ang celebration at late ang mga greetings and messages namin or greetings and wishes namin. But then, as the saying goes, it's better late than never. Pasensya ka na rin kung medyo hindi perfect itong video na to. This is the first time I've done this. I've not done this before. Sana sa'yo lang to, para sa'yo lang. Kung sakali mang palpak, pakisisi na lang si Momay kasi siya ang punot dulo ng video na to. Kaya ako nandito ngayon through his encouragement, through his pangungulit. Kaya nagpapasalamat din naman ako because I've been given the chance to be a part of this celebration and to greet you a very, very happy birthday and to wish you all the best, your family the best, your career, and everything that's important in your life. You're such a very nice person, which I'm sure mag-agree ang mga guest mo. So you deserve the best. Happy birthday ulit. All the best and God bless.